See students, this is KSR Sir Chemistry. Today we will discuss about numericals on the degree of ionization and pH of weak acids and weak bases. Okay. See here problem. The dissociation constant of acetic acid CH3COOH means acetic acid. At 298 Kelvin C is 1.75 into 10 power minus 5. What will be the hydrogen concentration and the H plus concentration we should find out. Okay. Dissociation constant of acid. Dissociation of constant of acid Ki is equal to 1.75 into 10 power minus 5. Okay. In the same way, concentration C is equal to 0.1 molarity. That implies 1 into 10 power minus 1. By using these two, already we know formula alpha we should find out. Ka is equal to C alpha square. Alpha square is equal to Ka by C. Alpha is equal to root of Ka by C. Okay. This is the formula. By using this alpha we should find out. Ka means 1.75 into 10 power minus 5 by concentration means 10 power minus 1. Okay. Finally, we got alpha value is equal to 0.01323. We want H plus hydrogen ion concentration. So already we know H plus concentration is equal to C alpha. Okay, H plus concentration is equal to, concentration means 0.1 into alpha means 0.01323. That implies 1.323 into 10 power minus 3 mole liter inverse. Concentration means molarity. Okay. By using data, first of all we should find out alpha. Ka is equal to C alpha square. Already in a previous class I said the formulas. That's why alpha is equal to root of Ka by C. Alpha value is coming. By using alpha value, hydrogen ion concentration can be calculated. Okay. See students, next problem. How many grams of NaOH are present per liter? How many grams of NaOH present per liter? If the pH value is to be 10. Okay, one. In problem, pH value was given. pH value is 10. By using pH value, we should find out H plus concentration. So here H plus concentration is equal to, already we know 10 power minus pH. Okay, that's why H plus concentration is equal to 10 power minus 10. By using this one, OH minus concentration should be find out. Already we know Kw ionic product of water is equal to H plus concentration into OH minus ion concentration. That's why OH minus ion concentration is equal to Kw by H plus ion concentration. That's why OH minus concentration is equal to, Kw means already we know 1 into 10 power minus 14. That is the constant value. Here H plus concentration means 10 power minus 10. So OH minus concentration or normality is equal to 10 power minus 4. By using this normality, already we know normality formula. normality is equal weight by gram equivalent weight into 1000 by volume in ml. That is equal, normality means OH minus concentration is equal 10 power minus 4. We should find out weight, gram equivalent weight. Sodium hydroxide gram equivalent weight is 40 into 1000 by 1000. Both are cancelled. Weight of the substance is equal 40 into 10 power minus 4. Okay. That is equal 4 into 10 power minus 3 grams. Okay. First of all, by using pH value, we should find out H plus concentration. But here in problem, base was given. That's why by using iron chloride of water, OH minus concentration was find out. By using OH minus concentration, that means normality of base, weight of the substance can be calculated. Okay. Next, see students, next problem. The Ka value means dissociation constant of HCN is 10 power minus 9. What is the pH? That means pH value we should find out. Here decimolar means 0.1 molarity. Okay. Decimolar means 1 by 10 molarity. That is 0.1 molarity. By using dissociation constant, pH value we should find out. We want pH value, we want H plus concentration. So here, already we know H plus concentration is equal to root Ka into C. Okay. That's why H plus concentration is equal to Ka means 10 power minus 9 into concentration 0.1 means 10 power minus 1. That is equal, H plus concentration is equal 10 power minus 10 root. That is equal, H plus concentration is equal 10 power minus 5. Okay. By using H plus concentration, already we know pH is equal to negative logarithm to the base 10 of H plus concentration. That implies minus log 10 power minus 5. Already we know log A power n, n log A. That's why pH is equal to negative positive 5 log 10. Already we know log 10 is equal to 1. That's why pH is equal to 5. Okay. These models are given in IIT, JEE Mains and NEET. Okay. Carefully observe the problems. See students, next problem. Equal volumes of 0.6 molarity of NaOH and 0.2 molarity of KOH are mixed. That means that gives a basic solution. NaOH is the strong base and KOH is the strong base. What are the pOH and pH values in the mixture? That means pH is equal to question mark, pOH is equal to question mark. By using this one, we should find out pOH, after then pH. Okay. Mixing of same solute, that means NaOH, KOH, strong bases, alkalis, resulting normality is equal, that means OH minus concentration is equal N1V1 plus N2V2 by total 1, V1 plus V2. That implies N1 means here this is monoacidic base, this is also monoacidic base. So molarity, normality same. That's why 0.6 into volume V plus, that's why 0.2 into volume V by V plus V, 2V. That is OH minus concentration. It implies OH minus concentration is equal to 0.6 V into 0.8 by 2V. Here V cancel, totally 0.4 mole liter loss. This is the concentration. By using OH minus, already we know POH is equal to minus log of OH minus concentration. That implies minus log of OH minus concentration means 4 into 10 power minus 1. Already we know log A into B, log A plus log B. Okay, log A into B, log A plus log B. That's why here minus log 4 plus log 10. That implies log 4 means minus 0.6, 6020 like 0.6 plus 1. Totally POH is equal to 0.4. POH is equal to 0.4. This is the POH. By using POH, already we know pH plus POH is equal to 14. That means pH is equal to 14 minus POH. Okay, that's why pH is equal to 14 minus 0.4, 13.6. This is the pH value, this is the POH value. Okay, so like that problems are coming in JEE Mains and NEET. Students, see the problem. The 0.005 molarity means concentration was given. Monobasic acid means molarity normality is same. pH value was given. pH value is 5. So degree of dissociation of acid should be find out. That means alpha is equal to question mark. Degree of dissociation. Alpha is equal to question mark. Here, by using pH value, we should find out H plus concentration. pH is equal to 5. That means H plus concentration is equal to already 10 power minus pH. That is equal to 10 power minus 5. Okay. Next, concentration was given. Concentration is equal to 0.005 molarity. That converted into 5 into 10 power minus 3 molarity. Already we know H plus concentration is equal to C alpha. H plus concentration is equal to C alpha. Alpha, degree of dissociation or ionization, nothing but alpha is equal to H plus concentration by C. That is equal to H plus concentration means 10 power minus 5. By concentration means 5 into 10 power minus 3. That is equal to 1 by 5 into 10 power minus 2. That implies 1 by 5 means 0.2 into 10 power minus 2. That implies 2 into 10 power minus 3. Okay. So this ionic equilibrium, that means the pH of weak acids and bases, dissociation, degree of dissociation, these problems are very important in competitive exams. Okay, if you like the video, subscribe my channel and like and share and comment on the channel to reach more people. Okay, thank you.